Sorry about the wind chimes, but here is my 1980 BOLER trailer. Gonna start a restoration on this thing. Was gonna flip it, but it's getting a lot of attention, so can't beat these old egg trailers, so might redo it a little bit. Two-tone colors, spray her down, all the fun stuff. It's already pretty much gutted. Shouldn't be too long. I could probably get this thing finished, or finish gutting it in a day. It's a little bit gross, I'm not gonna lie. This needs to be put back on and addressed. Woo! Could have a dog bed right there. I'm thinking of taking this whole thing out here. Just building a nice wood thing, have a little portable Coleman stove. Something light, easy. Cut all that up. I know a guy, Jordan RV Services. He's the man in town of Prince George, BC. If you guys are watching this, hit him up. Does good work, decent price. It's just not bad. Got some baking powder, baking soda in here. I think just some, I don't know, I can't find a leak, but maybe there's some moisture built up from sitting for so long. Beats me, but I'm probably getting COVID just sitting in here right now. Anyways, thanks for watching. Might do a little resto series, who knows? It's all good. Look at that. Ooh. Hey. Apparently all the lights work, so pretty stoked on that. This is the 1980 BOLER 13 foot. Classic. This is what I pull it with. Great White North Overland rig.